Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy with Suma. I'm Suma, and today, we've got a topic that's on everyone's mind: weight loss. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or embark on a major transformation, these 5 effective weight loss tips will help you reach your goals the healthy way. Tip 1. Mindful eating. Mindful eating. It's all about being present and attentive during your meals. Put away distractions, like your phone or TV, and savor each bite. Eating slowly allows your brain to register fullness, helping you consume fewer calories. Also, pay attention to portion sizes. Using smaller plates can help trick your brain into feeling satisfied with less food. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Tip number 2 is often overlooked but incredibly important: stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help control your appetite and boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and consider starting your meals with a glass of water to help you feel fuller and eat less. Tip 3. Regular exercise. Moving on to tip number 3, exercise. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is key for weight loss. Whether it's walking, jogging, swimming, or hitting the gym, find an activity you enjoy and stick with it. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Tip 4. Get enough sleep. Tip number 4 might surprise you, but it's crucial: get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, making it harder to control your appetite and regulate your weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. Tip 5. Balanced diet. Last but not least, tip number 5 is all about balanced diet. You've probably heard it before, but it's worth repeating: a balanced diet is essential for weight loss. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, and be mindful of portion sizes. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about making healthier choices. So there you have it, 5 effective weight loss tips to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process, and it's essential to be patient with yourself. These tips, when combined, can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and fitness tips. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.